everyone. I'm going to go through how to do a push-up, how to do the advanced version, and how to do the modified version. So let's go through the modified version first, okay? All right, so first off, what you want to do, you want to get onto your knees, and you want to place your palms down. Now, wherever you place them, we're going to fix them in just a moment, okay? All right, so put your palms down, fingers facing forward. Okay, and I want you to look at your shoulders, and I want you to line your shoulders up right over your palms. And if you do that, your arms won't be too wide and they won't be too narrow, which is going to ensure that you're not putting too much pressure on your shoulders, and this will prevent an injury, okay? All right, so let's go ahead. Let's take our right leg out, left leg out. Okay, if you're doing the modified version, this is going to feel hard, okay? Because that's a plank. So go ahead and put your knees down, but don't shift your upper body, okay? So don't do this. Don't sink your lower back down. Keep those shoulders over your palms, but this should look different than you're all on all fours because my knees are back further than my hips, okay? So don't shift any other part of your body, okay? All right, so let's go through that again. So you're in plank position, all right? Put your knees down, keep it there. We're going to take it down slowly, lower that chest to the floor. All right, and up. All right, now remember in this push-up challenge, you're going to increase your reps every few days. So it's okay if you're doing that modified version. I'm actually going to do it this time because I haven't done push-ups consistently in a while, and I need to get back into it myself because I really miss what this challenge did for me before. It increased my upper body strength so much and helped a lot with keeping my core nice and tight also. So major benefits coming from this push-up challenge. Okay, advanced version, most of you guys will definitely do this, and a lot of you ladies out there, okay? Same thing, make sure those palms up under your shoulders, lower, chest nice and low, and up, okay? And we have 3 of those today. If you're doing the beginner version, and I think you had 5 today if you're doing the advanced, okay? I'm Kristen, Get Fit with Kristen. Check it out, Facebook, Instagram. Go to my website, getfitwithkristen.com. I'm here to help you any way I can. All right, guys, have a good day, and I can't wait to see your great pictures in 30 days, okay? Push-up challenge.